Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Queens of the Binibining Pilipinas 2024 recently embarked on their major rounds, visiting the offices of Daily Tribune and Manila Bulletin, two of the Philippines' most esteemed news organizations. This visit marked a significant part of their journey, allowing the newly crowned queens to engage with the media, share their experiences, and discuss their advocacies and future plans. At the Daily Tribune, the queens were warmly received by the editorial team, where they participated in interviews and photo sessions. They discussed their pageant experiences, personal journeys, and the causes they are passionate about. The interaction provided a platform for the queens to reach a wider audience, highlighting their commitments to social issues and community service. Their presence at the Daily Tribune underscored the importance of media in amplifying their voices and supporting their endeavors. And the visit to Manila Bulletin was equally impactful. The queens engaged in meaningful conversation with the publication's journalists, shedding light on their roles and responsibilities as Binibining Pilipinas title holders. They talk about their preparations for the international pageants, the challenges they face, and their aspirations moving forward. The queens' grace, intelligence, and eloquence left a lasting impression, showcasing the qualities that earned them their titles. And these media rounds are crucial for the Binibining Pilipinas 2024 queens as they provide an opportunity to connect with the public and build their personal brands. The coverage from reputable news outlets like Daily Tribune and Manila Bulletin helps in spreading awareness about their advocacies and the positive impact they aim to create. Through these visits, the queens continue to inspire and empower others, reinforcing the significance of the role as ambassador of beauty, culture, and social change.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!